TD Bank provides free access to your TransUnion credit score, VantageScore 3.0, directly in the TD Bank mobile app for eligible personal checking or savings account holders. This is a soft pull and does not affect your score. Here's a step-by-step guide. Download or open the TD Bank app. Install or update to the latest version for full features. Log in to your account. Open the app, enter your user ID and password. Use biometric login, Face ID, Touch ID, or fingerprint if enabled. Navigate to credit score. Once logged in, tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, usually top left. Scroll and select credit score or credit health may appear under services, tools, or directly on the home or dashboard screen for some users. If not visible, look in accounts, my credit score, or financial wellness. View your score, tap view credit score or get my score. If it's your first time, you may need to accept terms and conditions or enroll. Quick process. Your current TransUnion VantageScore 3.0 appears 300 to 850 range, along with score trend graph last 12 plus months. Key factors affecting your score: payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, etc. Key factors affecting your score: payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, etc. Credit usage percentage, number of accounts and inquiries, additional features, check score history and insights, get personalized tips to improve your score, score updates monthly, typically mid-month.